Hi guys, Captain Starlight here, and today I'm here to teach you how to make a really cool plastic cup cannon. It is super easy to make and it can be a lot of fun. So all you're going to need is a plastic cup, a balloon, some scissors, some tape, and a piece of paper. And you might need some help from a parent or guardian as well. Okay, so the first thing to do is to cut the bottom of the cup off. Now this is pretty tricky. This is the bit that you're gonna need mum or dad or somebody cool around you's help. Maybe an adult, maybe just like an older person who's really cool. I've already done that because I needed help to do that. So here it is. I've got a hole through the cup already. Whoa, okay. Oh, there it is. The next bit, I'm gonna cut a hole in the top of the balloon, and I'm basically just gonna cut a really little slit off of it like this. Here we go. Harder to cut a balloon than you think. There we go. All I've done is cut off a teeny tiny bit, but because the balloon is so stretchy, it's gonna go stretch right over the cup. Here we go. Get ready. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. So far I have my cup, my balloon. I'm gonna need to do a few more things. Firstly, I'm going to tie a knot in the bottom of the balloon. So that means it's going to be easier to shoot. Here we go. This is also a pretty tricky bit. Okay if you need help with this. I also needed help the first 5,000 times I did this. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is tape the balloon so that it stays on the cup when I am... Oh, see? If I was about to do that, wouldn't work. So here we go. Putting it on again. Getting my tape. And I'm going to go all the way around the cup. Cup makes like little music as you're doing it, which is pretty nice. So I've cut that off. There is our balloon and cup ready to go. Wow. Whoa. All we need now is a little ball to shoot. And we can do that just by scrunching up this piece of paper. Or using a ping pong ball or a pom-pom or anything you have really. But scrunching up paper is pretty fun and easy to come by. Now, you can do it like that, or you can also cover this ball of paper with tape as well. So that way, it will make it a little more aerodynamic, it will fly a bit further. It's gonna be a really cool time, and you get to do this with the ball. Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh, check it out. That's pretty fun. Okay, I'm gonna cut this tape off as well. And then I have my ball, my cup, my balloon. Get ready, aim! Ah! And then you can do some really cool tricks like this.
All right, check it out. We're gonna go for long distance. Here we go, here we go. Oh, yes.
Time to get some trick shots. Oh, you guys! You're gonna make yourselves one of these. It's so